just opened my box and I'm ready just to get started. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara, welcome to my channel. And let's just get right to a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on because I'm pretty excited about what might possibly be in here. All right, so let's see, what can I tell you about Stitch Fix? I feel like I start this video the same every time and I'm trying to think, okay, let's do something different, but let's just keep moving on. Shipping is free to you and any of your returns. They do give you a prepaid envelope, and my husband said, is everything gonna fit in there? You know, that he was returning, that he actually decided to return. And I said, yes, dear, the shoes will fit, the pants will fit. It goes to the UPS, not UPS, USPS. I always drop mine off. It is a $20 styling fee, and that styling fee is applied to anything that you keep from that particular box. And if you share your referral link with anyone else, you both get a $25 credit to use anytime. I don't even think they expire. So that's really nice because then you both get one. So if you use my referral link, you and I both get a $25 credit. Okay, let's see if I still have my stylist, Emma. She's trying. I mean, she gets my style, but I think they are limited based on whatever warehouse your items ship from. Let me see where mine shipped from. You know, I've never really paid attention. Oh, Dallas, Texas. It looks like that's where it ships back to. Mailed from zip code 75211. Yeah, Dallas, Texas. Okay. All right, so you get this wonderful style sheet, recommendations. Stitch Fix number 31. You are getting that fall feeling. Are you getting that fall feeling? Even though the summer temperatures are holding on, I know I'm ready for pumpkin spice. This is a great time of the year to review your denim drawer, sweater stock, and jacket collection. Well, I got a lot of jackets, but keep them coming. To see what looks you'll need for fall, drop me a note at checkout with some ideas. Okay, great. So I'm not gonna keep reading that. This is the invoice. Let's just take a look at the bottom line. Okay, all 5 items is $337. If I keep all 5, you get a 25% discount, which would be $84.25. My total order would be $252.75, which I have a pair of shoes. So depending on what else is in here, I do have the Style Pass. The Style Pass is you pay $49 once a year, and all your boxes, there's no styling fee, which is really nice. And I'm not sure how they offer that, but I'll take it. All right, well, let's start with the shoes. Let's see what Emma sent me. Let's see. I like their new little bags. And if you keep the shoes, you keep the bag, and they are great for travel. Oh, these are cute. Oh my goodness. Look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, they're like this is suede. Now it's the end of summer, so we'll have to see how much these are. And I actually have a similar pair that my daughter just bought me. But depending on the price and if I keep everything, these are adorable. So it doesn't look like there's a zip. Oh, they slide on. They look a little narrow. But I'm gonna leave this in and just try the right one on first to see if it fits. If they fit, then I'll try on that one, but I'll show those to you. So great start, Emma. This is a pretty, oh, this is cute. Oh, that is very cute. It's like, it's a red, I think it's a red. I love the neckline with the little smocking. Look at the material, look at the fabric material. Is it material or fabric? Really pretty, and it's lined. That's nice, very nice. Oh, what's this? Okay, I don't like the color. I do not look good in orange. I don't know why, but I do not look good in orange. And this is kind of like, it's not really an orange, but it's kind of like a coral color with a light black. It's not a real bold black. I mean, this would look really cute layered with maybe a black sweater. Okay, our temperature here started, I went for a walk this morning, had to bundle up. It was 59 degrees by the time I got home. I got home at 9:30. I started at 8, but I stopped at Target, so I kind of wandered around there a bit. And then, so by the time I got home, it was 59 degrees. So I had my jacket off. So I came home, showered, got dressed, and I'm like, we'll do layering. Because I think it's gonna be low 70s, but here in Virginia with all the humidity, it's gonna be gorgeous. Okay, what is this? This is cute. It's got a tie here. It feels, oh, it's that polyester, yucky, polyester, scratchy thing that I don't like. But it's smooth in the back. I like the material in the back. It's got a tie here. So, I don't know, could be a possibility. It is my style. What's this? Oh, this is cute. Oh, look at this. I love it. Right length. It's got elastic waist, which this girl needs right now, especially after vacation. It's my size, but we'll see. Might have to size up. Look at the hem. I love this. I like that it's more of a flat. It is a flat panel. Gives you the illusion of a zipper, but I like that. I like that it's faded. This is very much my style. This is cute. This, I am excited. I have not been this excited of a Stitch Fix in a long time. So Emma, thank you, thank you. So let's get to the try on. How cute is this? I even like this top. I'm surprised. This is so cute. I have everything on, shoes, skirt, t-shirt. Oh goodness, this is so cute. Okay, I'm really liking this top. All right, it's by SUNDRY. And I just like it. I don't know why, but I like it. What do you guys think? It's just a nice little layering t-shirt. I don't have anything like this. I like the color. It's cute. And here's the full length. Great length. See the print a little bit better. I'm liking this. It's nice. It's a nice fabric, whatever it is. This skirt, I love, love, love this skirt. I need the size up because it's a little tight. There's stretch in it. It's Liverpool. I keep pulling it down a little bit. I will get so much wear out of this skirt. The elastic waist. I know my thighs are poking out here because it does fit snug, but it has, look at this, has a lot of stretch. Love it, like the raw hem. It's a great length. Working pockets. It is so cute. Okay, these shoes. All right, these shoes are nice, but I walk out of them. They're, but I mostly walk out on my non-surgical foot because my surgical foot, it's been almost a year. And it's kind of, I guess it's still swollen, I don't know. But it's shorter. Well, he shortened my toe, my big toe, which, that's a whole other story. But I guess he had to do it to straighten it. But these are really cute. Let me show them to you. Okay, so the shoe is adorable, but this one I slide out of. But it is just like, oops, this one, which I think I need the buckle. These my daughter just bought me for $20 on clearance, Macy's, versus this one, whatever the price is. I like this, I like the detail on this a lot. I wish it had a buckle, but I'm gonna wear them around. Well, it depends on the price because they are a little different. I like that the platform isn't as tall as this one. So, I don't know, what do you guys think? Is it, depending on the price, is it worth keeping this? Because I have these. I don't know. All right, so let's see, what else? I want to show you how this look will change up a little bit by adding a denim jacket. This one is my cut from the cloth. I have never worn this yet this year. It's just too hot in Virginia, I'm telling you. It's just too hot and muggy. Okay, so here's cute, add a cute jacket. I have to keep pulling this skirt down. Okay, or let's just put a black sweater on, cardigan, and see how that is. So this is cute also. Add some tennis shoes with this. Oh man, this is my style. Thank you, Emma. Okay, let's try on the other tops. Can you hear these shoes? I can hear my feet are slipping out of them. I think the more I have them on, the more they're stretching, you know, because they've got elastic on them. Okay, this is by RAINN. This is really cute. I like the color and the style, love the neckline. It is lined, this is a red. It's long, which is great. This particular one is a little bit big, although it kind of pulled up. So, I mean, I could see my bra when I first, yeah, it's kind of low. But I think the more you wear it, I think it just kind of slides up and then that would be fine. I mean, if I put a denim jacket on with it, because more than likely, this would be a layering piece. I keep pulling this skirt down, but I love the skirt. It's kind of cute. I mean, do a front tuck maybe, or even just tuck it in. It's cute. I don't know. I don't think I'm in love with it. I like it a lot, but I don't love it. I'm not sure if it's something I would reach for. I'd probably reach for something else. But the fabric is just, it's just very pretty, very, very pretty. It's got that, oh, what do you call it? That Swiss something, what do you call it? You know what I mean. Material. So, I know it's pretty cute. One more item. Pretty cute. Change up the shoes. Put some heels on, leave the denim skirt on, and put on a cute top. This is by CAMUTO. It's too big. I mean, this one's obviously too big. The material's not bothering me too much. I like the tie on the side. I love the length of this one. It has more of a stretchy material in the back versus the crepey polyester in the front. A statement necklace would be really cute with this. Cute. I like the tie. I just think it's really, it's me. That's what it is. This is me. And I know, Shelly, you're watching, and we had a little back and forth about wearing black next to the face over, I think you said over the age of 50, maybe it was 60, because it will enhance your wrinkles. Who knew? Okay, I'm gonna have to enhance my wrinkles. Sorry, Shelly, because I like black. I just like black. All right, so what do you guys think of this top? This is so cute. I like it. Okay, let's do oh, let me show you my shoes. You guys might remember these. Look how cute. They're slipping. I need to put something on the bottom because they're a little slippery, but these were my great deal that I got from Ann Taylor earlier this year. So, okay, so let me give you my final thoughts on this wonderful box. Okay, I was just doing a little Stitch Fix math to find out how this box would work out. If I kept everything, $252. Okay, let me show you what I'm thinking. Okay, the Vince CAMUTO, this top where it ties, I would size down. This is $64, which I think is high. Let's see, if I keep well wait, let me start over. The one that I really like, I like this SUNDRY shirt. There's just something about it that I really like, probably because it's different. And this is, $88. $88 for this. That's crazy. Oh man. Okay, $88 for this. The Liverpool skirt is only $50, only. It sounds like a deal after that. $58, which I would size up in these just so that I could be more comfortable. I know they stretch, but they ride up. I might see if I can hang on to these and wait for the next size and then do a comparison. So if I just kept these two, the skirt and this top, it would be $146. Okay, that's pricey. SUNDRY I know is pricey. Oh, geez, I don't know. Okay, but then if I add one more item, which would be this top, but size down, which is Vince CAMUTO, it is $64. So then that means I would be spending $210. If I keep the shoes, just sell them on Poshmark. The shoes are $69, size 7. And then the red top, this one. This Daniel RAINN, $58. These are my two least favorite. Although I like everything in this box, I really do. But do I love it enough to spend the money? $252.75. I know the shoes I won't wear because you could hear me slipping out of them. I don't mind slipping out of them a little bit because my foot's not going to go anywhere, but it's the noise from them. So I don't know. So I think maybe I'll just keep the skirt for $58 and call it a day. That's probably the best decision to make, I think. I mean, I actually love this top. Now, I might not once I watch the video, and when you guys hear the pricing, you're gonna be like, no way, Barbara. And I'll Google it and see if I can find this or something really similar, less expensive, but it's really a nice quality. Feels great. So that's it. What do you guys think? Emma, if you're watching, thank you so much. You really got my style down, so thank you. All right, everyone, that's all I have. I can't wait to hear your comments, and that's it. Have a wonderful day. Morning. I am all messed up because I'm excited about this box. I can't even finish my video correctly. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.